Hello and welcome to my Malu coloring channel. Today I'm coloring a cute witch portrait. Besides the witch herself, on this page we have a creepy forest as a background and a cat. Obviously I have to make it black. The main part of the picture will be colored with a set of simple colored pencils. I start painting from her face and add some shadows to highlight needed parts. That's how we can get the volume and make some features more peculiar. If you are on this channel for the first time, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure you gave it a thumbs up. Also, I'll be happy to read your comments and some feedback. We almost finished with the main characters. While working on this picture, I understood that my paper choice is not the best this time. I've printed on a textured paper, and you can see a vertical stripes that the texture of paper gives me. And maybe if you're coloring with watercolor or acrylic, it will be okay, but not for the colored pencils. So seeing this, I decided to take a watercolor pencil for the sky for a better result. I contour all three silhouettes with a dark blue pencil, adding light blue and violet around them, and then I add a water to activate the watercolor effect. The paper texture is lost and it looks much better. I'm using the chalk pastels for the clouds and for the moon, taking a few of grey and purple shades and a cold yellow. I want to achieve an effect of mysterious and cold moonlight here. That's why I need to add a few hatches of this cold yellow, not only to the clouds, but to the head and to the hair of the witch as well, like a patch of reflected light. Well, I hope you like my witch and her cat and the coloring process. Also, if you would like to color this page, follow the link below this video. It will lead you to my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. Stay creative and inspired. See you the next time on this channel.